Welcome back to KPsKINGDOM, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you the easiest pasta dish ever. It's my sausage and zucchini pasta. Really quick, really inexpensive, and very, very fast. Right, you're going to need all of this stuff. There will be a full list of all ingredients at the end of the video. Alright, all you have to do is just wait for that, pause it, you can write down what you need to make this amazing, simple dish. Alright, here I've got some zucchini, about 300 grams worth, and I'm just going to put that through my mandolin. I've topped and tailed that, and it's going to put that through my mandolin on the finest setting, so I end up with these really nice thin ribbons of zucchini. Alright, I'm just going to put those in the bowl and set those aside. Alright, this isn't going to take you very long. Make sure you use the guard. We don't want to have fingers in our pasta dish at all. So here I've just got a packet of seasoned chicken sausages. I think these are like garlic and sage or something like that, and use the ones that you like. Okay, what we have to do now is just give these a chop, just in a nice little chunks, just like that. Right, it's very, very simple. Give that a bit of a smash down with the back of a spatula, just like that. We don't want to make chunky meatballs. We want these to sort of break apart in our pasta dish. I'm going to put those again into a bowl and let those sit aside until I'm ready to do our next step. Right, now here I've got a fry pan, little bit of some vegetable oil. Use the oil that you like. If you want olive oil, canola oil, engine oil, whatever you want, put that into your pan just like that. We're going to add our sausage straight in little chunks, right? And we're basically going to cook these off for 6 to 7 minutes or so. Right, nice amount of heat, and we want to get a nice bit of colour on these sausages as we go. Now, this dish might sound really, really simple. It is, but the flavour is amazing. And if you can get your hands on a good tasting chicken sausage, it'll make this dish taste even better. Alright, so all I'm simply going to do is let these things start to brown off. There'll be a little bit of fat that comes out of there. Don't worry about that. That is all flavour. And just start to give these a bit of a stir as they start to brown off on the bottom. This is an older pan, so I am going to get a bit of stickage in the center, but don't worry about that. It'll all work out in the end. So just keep cooking those off, and as you can see, they're starting to break up naturally into little bits and big bits, and that is exactly what we want. We want a real nice variation on texture for this particular little pasta dish. And some of the bigger bits that might clump together, just give them a break apart with the back of the wooden spoon. Right, and as you can see, we've got some real nice brownage happening there. Alright, and absolutely beautiful. And these are going to have to cook off for around about 8 to 9 minutes. It's probably the most time consuming part of making this dish. It should take you around about 20 to 25 minutes to cook this dish. As you can see, we've got some nice brownage bits happening, and absolutely beautiful. And if you can actually get a sausage where you can take the skins off, which is getting a little bit rarer these days, well, even better. You just take the skin straight off the sausage and put the sausage mince in. And the reason we're using the sausage is it is already pre-seasoned. Alright, I'll put those aside into a bowl. As you can see, I've got a couple of little chunks in there. I'm not going to worry about that. A little bit of oil again, and all we have to simply do now is get our zucchini ribbon and put that straight into that fry pan, and we're going to start cooking this off. We don't want to cook this off too long. We don't want it to be absolute mush. We want a little bit of integrity to that. I'm going to add in 6 cloves worth of freshly crushed garlic or garlic paste. I'll leave that up to you, and we can start just stirring those through. And once again, if you want to use an olive oil, go for it. The flavour would be quite nice. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to taste. Alright, and I'll leave the quantity up to you. The salt factor in those sausages can actually be quite high. So once you've cooked some of that sausage off and it is cooked through perfectly, have a taste of that and you will be able to work out how much salt and pepper you need. Alright, I'm going to add all those little sausage crumbs straight in on top of the zucchini. Mrs. KP is already cooking off some pasta on the other side of the kitchen. Now I'm going to use farfalle tonight. We're going to add in 100 grams or 100 milliliters, sorry, of some cream. Right, not a lot, just a little bit. You can use the pasta shapes of your choice. You could use penny, you could use farfalle, you can use whatever you like, spirals, it doesn't really matter, even those little wagon wheel looking things. Half a cup's worth of pasta water, put that straight in as well. It's going to help make this really nice light sauce for this amazing sausage and zucchini pasta. Alright, we're almost there. We're going to add our pasta straight in over the top, just like that, and all we have to simply do now is start giving that all a nice mixy mix and get all of those ingredients all combined together. I told you this dish was quite quick, and believe me, it really is. So keep mixing those through. We're almost there, ready to almost ready to get serving, and I'm just going to add in a little bit of nicely finely grated chopped spring onions. That's going in, and now I'm going to add in my finely grated pecorino or parmesan cheese. I like pecorino, some people don't. Use parmesan, right? But get the fresh stuff, don't use that stuff in the green tub. Alright, put that down, and before you know it, you have got the most amazing, real easy dish. KP's sausage and zucchini pasta. Love to see you and try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence and make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love reading. Love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a real quick one-pan dish, once again, just like this one, need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my sausage and zucchini pasta, and I will catch you next time. Hey.